slots. And it's not as picky as the slots. Oh, that's nice.
This is the most you've won in the last month right there.
What good is that?
And you put the park trick back in the thing and you get a silver dollar.
Put the park trick where?
When you come out with the car.
You put it in where?
In the thing.
And I give you a silver dollar?
No, it was $4, right?
Yeah.
So they give you $1 back.
What's this?
It's $1, Dad.
Oh, that's a new dollar. Oh, no. That's used as a quarter for me. So what do I got to do with that? Oh, they left the game. I got to show I paid. I don't like this shit. Why don't I just hire some Haitian to sit there? Where are we going? 2, 3, 4.
Oh man, look at that all on tape.